Okay, so if this is my graphic organizer right here, the first thing you're going to do is highlight your claim. So the one I'm going to show you is that I'm saying yes, that it is possible to lose your humanity. So I would highlight this and then just click the highlight button and it would turn yellow. And then if I'm going to say, no, it's impossible, you would just do the opposite and you would highlight this one. Okay, so that's how you show what your claim is going to be. And then if we go down, so everything in this text article column is the title of the article you should be reading. And to find those articles, you just have to go onto Schoology, go to Courses, English 3, Distance Learning Materials, Assignment 1, Assignment 1 again. And then you're just going to click, this is the first one. So you just have to click through them and connect the title. So then I'm going to open the PDF. So this is my first one. So for this, I'm looking for something that shows it is possible to lose your humanity, and something that I did on my graphic organizer that helped me just kind of make sure I'm on the right track is on each box I would put if it's possible or impossible. So since this is supporting my claim, next to this I'm just going to put possible to lose humanity, and then this side I like to put impossible to lose humanity, just so I can keep track of what kind of quotes I'm putting under each one. Okay, so if I'm going back to here, I'll show you a quote that I found that showed my claim that it was possible to lose your humanity. So we're going to go back to this. Okay, so I chose this one right here. It says men and women from every corner of Europe were suddenly reduced to nameless and faceless creatures, desperate for the same ration of bread or soup, dreading the same end. So I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to put it in here, and you can use this one too if you want. And then what page was this on? This was on page 2. So I'm going to just put page 2. And then I'm going to copy this into here. And then for me, what this means is that, so this quote is saying that during the Holocaust, that's what this article is about, men and women from every corner of the earth were nameless and faceless. And to me, I don't think that you can be considered a human when someone takes away your name and takes away your face. They're kind of just ignoring that you're a human at all. I'm going to say, by taking away names and faces, this showing that there is not humanity and they are not treated like humans. Okay, so now I have to go over here and choose that it is impossible to lose your humanity. So I gotta go back and I gotta look for something that shows that it is impossible to lose your humanity. Okay, so for this article, it's a lot easier to find something that shows that. So what I chose was right here. So what Elie Wiesel is saying is that you need to remember things to be able to like move forward. And if you forget them, then you're kind of just ignoring that they happen. So what he's saying here is he's talking about a young man in Paris, and he's saying that this man wanted to give up, and then he decided not to because he decided that if he remembered and kept the memory alive of everything that he went through, that he would be able to move forward. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to put it over here. And this is on page 1. I'm going to put the quote here. And then I'm going to say, When you choose to remember and move forward, it helps you stay alive. Okay, so you can use what I just did if you want to. You don't have to. But that is an example of kind of what I'm doing. And I don't know if you noticed, but I'm not reading every single part of the article. I'm kind of skimming and looking for important things that I can use. Um, so then when you go to the next article, you're going to go back to Schoology. And if we look at our document here, the next article is when the UN fails. So that article is you're going to open this genocides document and it's going to pop down here and I'm going to open it up. And it's the first one, okay? And then the rest of the articles are below that. So I hope this helps you get started. Again, message me if you need any more help. Bye.